Have you ever stood in front of your closet staring at sea of clothes yet feeling like you have nothing to wear? You're not alone. Fashion is more than just putting on clothes. It's form of self-expression, confidence and even first impression. The good news, great style isn't just about following trends. It's about understanding what works for you. Whether you are looking to refine your wardrobe, experimenting with new styles, or simply feel more put together, improving your fashion sense is easier than you think. Let's explore simple yet powerful way to enhance your style and make getting dressed a seamless, enjoyable experience. Hi, my name is Dara and welcome to Flowing Elegance. There are 9 points to consider. I will explain one by one. Number 1. Dress for your body type. Find what flatters you. Knowing your body type helps you choose clothes that highlight your best features and create balanced look. Here's a simple way to know your body type at home. Take a measuring tape and measure your bust, waist, high hip and a hip. Then in Google, type a body type calculator and find all the details and you got your body shape. There are 5 different body shapes. Let's know each of them better. Pear shape has a wider hip, smaller upper body. For this particular body type, wear tops with the details or a ruffles on the sleeves, along with the A-line skirts or a wide leg pants to balance proportion. An apple-shaped body has a fuller midsection and a slimmer legs. Wear flowy tops or a V-neck line or a structured jacket to define your waist. Hourglass has a balanced bust and hips and a defined waist. For this body type, wear fitted style that highlight your natural curves like wrap dress or high-waisted pants. Rectangular body shape. It has straight silhouette, similar bust, waist and hip measurements. Add shape with belts, peplum tops or layered outfits. The last one is inverted triangle. It has a broader shoulders, narrower hips. For this particular body type, opt for A-line skirts, wide leg pants, and V-neck tops to soften the upper body. The key is to find style that make you feel confident and comfortable while enhancing your natural proportions. Number 2, the perfect fit clothes that flatters your body. Properly fitted clothes should feel comfortable, look sharp, and highlight your shape without being too tight or too loose. Here's what to check. Top and shirt. Shoulder seams should align with your shoulders, and the fabric shouldn't pull across your chest or waist. Pants and jeans. They should sit comfortably at your waist without gapping or squeezing, and the length should suit your height, no bunching or dragging. Jackets and blazers. Sleeves should end at your waist and the jacket should close without straining. Dresses should scheme your body, defining your shape without clinging too tight. When clothes fits well, they make you look polished and feel more confident. Number 3, color palette. Choosing the right color for you. A color palette is a set of colors that look good together and complement your skin tone, hair, and personal style. The right color can make you look more vibrant and put together. Here's how to find yours. Understanding undertone versus overtone. Your undertone is the subtle color beneath your skin, while your overtone is the visible color of your skin. Think of undertone as the base and overtone is the surface. Undertone stays the same no matter how tan or fair your skin gets. To find your undertone, check the veins on your wrist. Greenish veins, you likely have a warm undertone. Bluish or purplish veins, you probably have a cooler undertone. A mix of both, you're neutral. Warm undertone has yellow, orange, red, earthy shades, suits people with golden or olive skin. For cooler undertone, blue, green, purple, jewel shades works best for those with a pink or fair undertone. For neutral, black, white, grey, beige, navy match with everything and are great for a classic versatile wardrobe. Overtone, the actual color of your skin, which can change with the sun exposure, skincare, or health conditions. Knowing your undertone help you choose the right clothing, colors, makeups, and even jewelry that enhance your natural glow. Experiment with different colors to see which color complements your skin tone and build a wardrobe with a balanced mix of neutrals and accent colors. Number 4. Classic wardrobe staples. Invest in timeless essential pieces that never go out of style and can be mixed and matched easily. Here's are some must-haves. White shirt works for both casual and formal looks. Well-tailored blazer instantly add polish to any outfit and make it effortlessly chic. Dark wash jeans, a versatile pair that fits well and suits any occasion. Little black dress, perfect for dressy or casual events. Neutral t-shirt or a polo shirt, a simple everyday essential. Classic sneakers, comfortable and stylish for casual wear. Black or brown leather shoes, great for any occasions. Timeless coat or jacket. A neutral trench coat or well fitted jacket will not only keep you warm and stylish but also elevate your entire look. These staples create a stronger foundation for any wardrobe. Number 5. Accessorize strategically. Less is more when it comes to looking classy. Accessories can enhance your outfit, but the key is to choose them wisely. Here's how to do it right. Keep it balanced. If your outfit is simple, go for a bold accessories. If your outfit is flashy, keep accessories minimal. Pick a statement piece, one standout item like a stylish watch, a statement necklace, or a bold earrings can elevate your look. Match metals and colors. Gold, silver, and neutral color accessories blend well with most outfits. Use scarves, belts, and bags. A scarf adds elegance, a belt defines your waist, and a stylish bag pulls your look together. Shoes matter. A great pair of shoes can change the whole vibe of an outfit. The right accessories add personality without overwhelming your style. Number 6. Develop your personal style. Dress like you. Your personal style is how you express yourself through clothing. Here's how to find and refine it. Know what you like. Pay attention to outfit that make you feel confident and comfortable. Get inspired. Look at fashion icon, social media or magazines to see what style you admire. Try different looks. Experiment with colors, pattern and fit to see what suits you best. Build a signature look. Whether it's a certain color, type of clothing or accessories, having go-to style makes dressing easier. Stay true to yourself. Trend come and go, but your style should reflect who you are and what makes you feel good. When you dress in a way that feels right for you, confidence naturally follows. Number 7. Shop mindfully. Buy smart, not more. Shopping mindfully means choosing clothes that fits your style, needs and budget instead of buying on impulse. Here's how. Plan before you buy. Know what you need instead of shopping randomly. Quality over quantity. Invest in well-made pieces that last longer. Try before you buy. Make sure it fits well and feels comfortable. Stick to your style. Buy things that match your wardrobe and personal style. Think versatility. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched easily. Smart shopping saves money, reduce clutter, and help you build stylish practical wardrobe. Number 8. Grooming matters. Look good, feel confident. Grooming is an important part of your personal style because it helps you look polished and feel confident. No matter how stylish your outfit is, poor grooming can take away from your overall appearance. Here's why it matters. First impression count. People notice cleanliness and neatness right away. Boost confidence. When you look good, you feel good. Enhance your style. Well groomed hair, nails, and skin makes any outfit look better. Shows self care, taking care of yourself. Shows self respect and attention to details. Improve hygiene, regular grooming, keep you fresh and healthy. Simple habits like trimming your nails, styling your hair, maintaining your good skincare, and wearing clean, well fitted clothes can make a big difference in your overall look. Number 9. Confidence is key. Wear it like an outfit. No matter what you wear, confidence makes the biggest difference. When you feel good about yourself, you naturally look better. Here's why confidence is important in fashion. Makes any outfit stand out. Even simple clothes looks great when worn with confidence. Improve posture and presence. Standing tall and walking with confidence make you look stylish effortlessly. Help you own your style. When you believe in your choices, others notice and admire it too. Attract positive attention. A confident attitude make you more approachable and memorable. The best accessory you can wear is self assurance. When you feel good, you look even better. Improving your fashion sense isn't about following every trend, it's about finding what works for you, feeling confident, and expressing your personality through style. Remember, the right fit, color, and accessories can make all the difference. So take your time, experiment, and most importantly, wear what makes you feel great. With this, we have come to an end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite styling tip or any question you have. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay stylish. Fashion is all about feeling good and being confident in what you wear. Find your style, wear it with pride, and let your confidence shine.